Hey boyheads, it's your girl Mo, and welcome to the Boyhead Girl Show. So today's episode, I am going to be showing you all how I achieve my wash and go.
Hey, how you do that there? How you wear that ponytail and ain't got no hair? Wild edges, but you looking real thick. Grab that edge control and swoop on that bit. No hair, girl. Join that boyhead club. Do the wash and go when you hop up out the tub. It's an original.
What's that? Hey Pooh. You hitting them with the one pour out, classy. As always, we're gonna start off with clean hair. I just finished co-washing my hair, so it's all fresh, clean, and smelling good.
Just in case you a part of the Ballhead Girl Club who can't use rubber bands or scrunchies, please use hair clips.
The first section that's right here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our first product, Mousse, Cream of Nature, Coconut Milk, Curl Quench Foaming Mousse, medium hold for defined styles. Ooh. And it smells really, really good. So what you're gonna do, get your foaming mousse and you're gonna rub it in. After you put your curly mousse on, you're gonna take your gel. You're gonna make sure that you put it all over your head. Then what we're gonna do, comb it out. So then I'm gonna take a small size, rub it in. Small size, rub it in. Then you go.
We've been on a tragedy for months. Why don't you agree with me for once? And look at that. Ooh. Brown skin girl. Your skin just like pearls. Best thing in a. Ooh, look at that close up with the blue on it. Okay. Skin just like pearls. Never trade you for anybody else.
This section is complete.
They say this is a big rich town. Yeah, I just come from the poorest part.
So it's definitely defined. The blue is showing up.
Alright, so right now this is what I got so far. It's been air drying and it looked kind of like an airplane. It's not fully put together, giving you tease, but give me a minute. I'm gonna be back and it's gonna give you some tease.
So usually what I do is I wear it out for a day, and then when it's time to go to sleep, I'll band the ends. So let me get to this part so I can show you guys precisely what I do.
As you can see, it is going in my hair really, really nicely. So you got to make sure that your hair stays wet. Do keep your bottle of water with you. The blue is going on nicely. It is showing up. I am giving OG Gross Sister cute version because I didn't wear gloves. So FYI, please do wear gloves. Don't be like me because the blue is everywhere, even though it does wash off. Just FYI. All right, now boyheads, this my finished product. I'm giving cute mushroom, okay? Gotta pick it out, do a little shake. And all right, and so I'm gonna band it tonight with 7 rubber bands, and then I will be back tomorrow. Now it's time for the takedown. Here you see my 7 Oompa Loompa braids, 1 in the front unicorn style, and 3 on each side. Please do not judge me. This is my stretching method and it does work for my hair. Please make sure that you keep oil on your hands when it's time for the takedown. There's nothing worse than taking down dry hair with dry hands. Recipe for disaster. And when you have taken out all your bubbles, it's time to pick it out. You can use your hands, you can use a comb, you can shake with your head, you can do it all, Pooh. I just want you to be successful. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please do stay along for the ride. Bonus! Here is my best friend. I just did her hair right before I did my own. She really loved this flat twist out using Cream of Nature products. Here's a short clip. Hope that you enjoy.
Right, but you know, what's your favorite section?
Okay, everybody. I wanna be like Mo. Fresh water, not over a day old. Okay, that's dirty. Damn, bro, you need to stick your head under the faucet. So, some of you may start off with your hair dry, like my good bestie here. And maybe you need more than just some water, okay, from the bottom. Let's put our heads under the sink. Water business, cream of nature with argan oil from Morocco, okay? It's the Moisture and Shine Curl Activator Cream. This #1, okay? #1. Start off your twist off, your flat twist. Pew, pew, as you all can see. So here is the finished product. She has layers and is looking good, if I do say so myself. Go me.